Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making pumpkin cheesecake squares. To begin, we are breaking up 10-gram crackers. The best way to do this is by putting them in a freezer bag and smash them as thin and fine as you can. Then transfer to a mixing bowl and add in 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Go ahead and mix that in. You want the crumbs to be soaked in the melted butter. Then grease the bottom of a 9x13 pan with non-stick cooking spray. Transfer the crumbs into the pan and lay out as even as you can in a single layer. Press down with a measuring cup to keep them nice and tight. Keep in the fridge while we work on the rest of the ingredients. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add in 32 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, followed by 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of sugar. With a hand mixer, mix until you get a smooth texture. Now transfer half of the cheesecake batter into the baking pan. Spread it out and smooth it out as even as you can. Transfer it to the freezer and let it get frozen for at least a couple of hours. To the remaining cheesecake batter, add in a 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin. Go ahead and mix that in until evenly incorporated. Then get your baking pan out the freezer. Transfer the pumpkin cheesecake mixture over the frozen plain cheesecake mixture. And while we are doing this, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. With a spatula, make sure that it gets spreaded evenly. Now bake at 325 degrees for 30 minutes. While the cheesecake is baking, let's make a crumb topping. In a mixing bowl, add in half a cup of butter at room temperature, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Mix all the ingredients until evenly incorporated and they develop a wet sand-like texture. Now top the cheesecake with a crumble topping. Continue baking at 325 degrees for another 25 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your pumpkin cheesecake squares should look like this. Now allow the cheesecake to cool off at room temperature. Once it has cooled off, for best results, refrigerate overnight. Then, once it's cooled, slice and serve. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, pumpkin cheesecake squares. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.